Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Lendable Loans. Review my usage experience. Lendable Loans Review My Usage Experience offers a platform to research and compare personal loans from various lenders. Its main purpose is to help users find the best loan option based on their needs and creditworthiness. The service likely utilizes algorithms to match users with suitable loan providers and presents information on interest rates, repayment terms, and other crucial details. Their website provides details on the loan providers they work with and their filtering options. Their website emphasizes ease of use and transparent pricing. They claim to compare loans from a broad range of lenders, potentially offering better rates than going directly to individual banks or credit unions. The technology appears to be a sophisticated comparison engine that pulls data from multiple sources. Availability is straightforward, anyone can access their service through their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Lendable Loans. Review my usage experience. Getting started was a breeze. I simply went to their website and entered some basic information about my financial situation and loan needs. The interface was very intuitive and easy to navigate. I used their filters to narrow down options based on loan amount and repayment terms. The results were presented clearly and concisely, allowing me to quickly compare interest rates and fees from different lenders. The speed was excellent. I received results almost instantly. The quality of the information seemed accurate and up to date, though I double-checked some details on the lenders' websites to confirm. I had a quick question about a specific loan offer, and their support responded within 24 hours via email. I was really impressed by how cleanly the information was presented. Comparing offers was far easier than searching individual websites. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, forcing me to use the website on my phone. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Lendable Loans. Review my usage experience. It saved me a significant amount of time and helped me secure a much better loan offer than I would have found on my own. That's my overview of Lendable Loans. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.